Hey, what's up guys? Challenge Roll here, and this is my first video, so I'm gonna show you how to make a Lego butterfly knife my way. Here we go. So the first thing we'll need to do is grab one of these things, I don't know what they're called, and grab these things, two of the slippy kinds and one of the non-slip ones. So to grab this, you could use any color. So you will need to put them like this, like that, and like that. Next, you will have to use this. So you just need to, I recommend you use two of these bigger ones, but if you only have small ones and you only have one of this, I'm going to use that as a blade. So you have to make it bigger, and you just connect it like this. Put the blade, put the blade like that, as you can see, and grab the other one, connect it like this. Now, if you don't have another one of these, I'll show you how to make another one of those. So you just need two of these things, and one of this 1x1 squares with a hole in it. First off, the 1x1 square is supposed to go like this, as you can see. Now for these two, connect it like so. So anyway, since you're putting, I recommend you put it up like this. Then there you go. Now for the handles. Yeah, you need to put the handles. Oh yeah, here's the thing you have to do. All you need is to get these together so these won't interfere. If you like it to interfere, that's fine. I don't really care. For the handle, you'll need this, and attach it like that. I need one of these pieces too, but you can use anything to connect really well. Something like that. I think I got it wrong. Oh, sorry. For this one, you just need next you will need to attach this piece over here and put this final piece like that, and you got yourself the first handle of your butterfly knife. Now do the same thing on the other side. So now as you can see, this part moves. So now I missed this. Don't forget, like me, I forgot to add this part. Now, since it's just stepping like that, add this like that, and touch it like this. Oops, sorry. On the square. Put like that so it doesn't slip anymore. Oh yeah, we see it won't interfere. Just take out these pieces and repeat the process like this. make sure it's going inwards. So now grab the other. Since I ran, if you don't have any of those pieces, I'll show you how to make it like that. Just grab this one and put this. Now, that's strange. Oh, here we go. Oh, sorry about that interruption. So if you don't have those, it's okay because I figured out a solution to do it. Now, if you do it like that, now insert that over there. You see, it will not slip. Now add those pieces again, and a different part, and there we go. So you see that, and now I'll show you the real way. I'm not really good at butterfly knives, but you see the trick. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.